Today we take a closer look at one of the most important forms, the reservation form. We get to the form directly when we click on the suitcase icon in the menu. Every process concerning the reservations as well as inquiries, offers, cancellations, options, blocks, allotments and waiting lists and others can be managed in the reservation form. We remember that we get to the reservation form from any other form where we can click on a guest's name, the match code. On the tab Browse of the reservation form, we see the informations of reservations separated in columns. In the column Type, we get the information of the type of reservation. The column Bill gives us information about the billing status of the reservation, which can be either red and the letter O, which means the invoice is not yet paid, green and the letter X, which means the reservation has been fully paid, yellow and the letter V, which means the invoice has been voided without creating a new invoice, no color, which means no invoice on the billing tab has been created at all. The following columns, registration number, the match code, the guest's name, the arrival date, the departure date, the customer number for reservation, the customer number for the guest, and match code 2, which can be used for internal booking numbers of OTAs or tour operators, can also be used for sorting and positioning purposes. The number of paths can be seen next to the column Customer Guests. If a reservation consists of more separate parts, for example defined numbers of overnight stays for groups, a path can be created for each period under the same reservation number. The column Guest shows us the number of booked guests for this reservation. The room booking symbol RB signifies the status of a room booking on bed basis. If this field is empty, a room booking has not been carried out yet. If it contains a number 1, the room booking has not yet been completed. A number 2 signifies that a room booking has been completed for all paths. The room booking symbol, RA, signifies the status of a room booking based on types of rooms. If this field is empty, a room booking has not been carried out yet. If it contains a number 1, the room booking has not been completed yet. A number 2 signifies that the room booking has been completed for all paths. Below the data grid, we have the possibility to filter our displayed data. If we desire, only inquiries, offers and refusals, contracts and reservations or allotments can be displayed. The dark gray line is the selected reservation, which you can now adjust by clicking on Edit. A light gray line is a reservation with an arrival and departure date in the past. A bright line is a reservation with an arrival and departure date in the future.